what I ate today. As you can see by the title, I just woke up and I woke up pretty late. It's like already like past 10, and then I'm heading to lunch at like 12. So yeah, needless to say, I'm gonna have a pretty light breakfast, and yeah, I probably won't finish it all, but I still want to make sure I get in like a slight meal or some food before I head in to go to lunch with my friend later today. Well, in an hour and a half. So I'm gonna have to go prepare lunch quickly, probably make some coffee to go, and get ready. I've already made my bed and like drink some water, so that's done. But I'll just probably make some like English muffin sandwich because I like doing those because they're just easy and they're good if you like want like a light snack. Well, not like snack, but like breakfast, but also filling. Because sometimes just eating fruit or a banana is just not enough, right? So just having and then eating oatmeal is a bit, bland and like a bit too much. So I just want to have a little breakfast sandwich. I'm gonna show you how you do it. It's pretty easy. But I'll do that. I'll get showered and then I'll do other stuff. So,
what about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me.
kind of in a hurry, so I'm just gonna eat this and go take my shower. It's a bit messy, but that's just life, I guess.
It's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Been, but you said keep them close and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want?
Okay, so I just finished at the lunch spot. It was so fun. It was like a friend that I haven't seen in a while, so it was so fun to like reconnect with her and like know how she's been. We were there for like over an hour just talking about life, talking about how things were. We had like a deep talk on like love and like finding yourself and like relationships. So I didn't really film much. Like I filmed a little bit of what I had to eat. And that was about it. But yeah, now I'm headed to the library because I want to get some studying done. So we're about to do that. But that was really fun. I'm really glad I did that. And yeah, now it's on to the library. I have a banana in my backpack, so I'm gonna eat that. And yeah, see you later.
You said shut it off.
With you, it's around 6, a little past 6 right now, and I'm eating dinner. So yeah, I just made a quick stir fry with rice and vegetables. So I added like carrots, yellow bell peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, and red onion. So pretty much all the mushrooms I had in the fridge, just threw it in a pan, cut it up, and threw some soy sauce. Added some soy sauce, some ginger, and some garlic. So very easy. It's something that I eat really often, so nothing new, but always pretty delicious. And yeah, I'm just gonna add that, some sriracha on it. I'm already on my second bowl and I completely forgot to film while I was cooking, so I do apologize. I'm drinking some water too because I've been pretty low on water today. So I'm gonna do that. Hurry up because I have to go in an event. Well, it's like meeting, networking event, and like 20 minutes, and I need to like shower and get ready. But yeah, I just finished eating that. I'm eating like half of a second bowl because I was pretty hungry. I'm eating that with some jasmine rice, my favorite type of rice. So yeah, and also I'm gonna try it up the quality because it's not the best. Like the lighting's not really good because it gets dark really early because it's winter, and also I just want to up the quality to have like better videos, right? So I'll do that in the future videos, but that's it for today. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and
Like a
I'll see you
love
later.
me,
Bye.
but I have to wait a little, and that's okay.